Are you got a cough?
Like being makes a horrifying screech.
Are you got a cough?
Others say it swoops in silently like a ghost.
How'd you get rid of a dog's cough?
Challenge of trying to find this creature in over 1 million square acres of forest. I need to find out more about the folklore surrounding the Jersey Devil.
Oh, you've not got a cough now?
I'm heading out to Rutgers University, established before the American Revolution, to meet someone who studied the Jersey Devil for decades.
How come your cough's gone? Hmm?
Oh, great. It's been years since I've been in a lecture room.
Yeah, I've been teaching American folklore here at Rutgers for the past 40 years, and one of the favorite topics is the Jersey Devil.
Right. I see you got him up on the screen already.
Yes.
Wow. Professor Gillespie's research has taken him all over the state.
Over the last 300 years, there have been many sightings of the Jersey Devil. And unfortunately, no one ever had a camera at the time. But many of these sightings have been done by police officers, state troopers, sheriffs, ministers, priests.